Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lately, anyone working with TikTok must have noticed this. Those who post videos consistently every day see a huge increase in views and followers. But the problem is, who has the time to manually post on each account, especially when you're managing dozens or even hundreds of TikTok accounts, right? Every time you post a video, you have to open the app, select the video, add the caption, hashtags, and wait for it to upload. Then multiply that by 10, 20, or 50 accounts, and it's half a day gone. Sometimes you even face network issues, duplicated posts, or accounts getting flagged. Doing all this manually not only wastes time but also risks overloading your device. That's why the MKT software team came up with a fantastic solution, MKT Phone. MKT Phone is software that helps you manage and post videos in bulk across multiple TikTok accounts with just one click. You just need to prepare the video, caption, and hashtags, select the accounts to post on, and click start. The software will automatically perform actions like a real person. Open TikTok, select the video, post it, and add the caption for each account without you lifting a finger. Everything runs simultaneously, fast, secure, and smooth. Instead of spending 3 hours posting across 30 accounts, you'll only need 5 minutes. You can categorize videos into groups. Group 1 post content A, Group 2 post content B, test the market super fast. Which accounts get higher views and better engagement? You can easily identify them for further investment. Moreover, MKT Phone allows you to schedule posts automatically, meaning whether you're sleeping or out having fun, the videos will still be posting regularly. Super effective for building a phone farm strategy. Automatically post videos across multiple TikTok accounts at the same time. Manage multiple virtual phones. Each phone acts like a real device with its own proxy, cookies, and settings. Flexibly change videos, captions, and other content. Use AI driven light interactions to make accounts behave more naturally. Boost engagement by auto liking and commenting with AI. Interact with live streams to increase credibility. If you're into TikTok marketing, selling, seeding, or building a content system, then MKT Phone is a must have tool. With just one computer, you can control your whole TikTok army to post automatically 24/7s. Want to see how it works and try a demo? Just inbox or Zalo me to get a trial version. Automation is no longer the future, it's happening right now. And if you're still posting manually, you're walking while others are running with a machine. This is MKT Phone, the tool that will amplify your TikTok growth 10x. Contact us now for a free trial of MKT Phone and see the power of TikTok automation in action. Website mktsoftware.com.